Okay, grade 7. This is part 3 of lesson 1. Okay, so you will see word problems. I told you, for you to be successful when you've been given a word problem, one, you must know how to read. That is the most important part. After you know how to read, you have to make sure you've answered each and every part of the question. So let us do this question now. It says here, you have a coconut milk can with a radius of 9 centimeters. So therefore, very important, radius. Coconut milk can is very important because cans come in cylinder. So I know this is a cylinder. Okay. And it has a radius of 9 centimeters. It has a height of 15 centimeters. Find the mass. Find the mass is very important. Okay. So we are finding the mass of the can. Of the can is also another important part. I want to find the mass is important. And of what is another important. And then I see here, if 1 cubic centimeter, very, very important. What does this mean? It means I am dealing with volume. Very important, cubic centimeter. So if 1 cubic centimeter of the can has a mass of 2.6 grams. So I don't know the mass. I don't know the mass of the can, but I know that every 1 cubic centimeter is 2.6 grams. So that means I'm going to ask myself, do I know the volume of the can? I don't see anywhere here where the question said the volume of the can, but I know they gave me information that I can use to find the volume of the can. So my step 1, find the volume of the cylinder or cylindrical can. Cylindrical just means cylinder. Okay? How do we find volume of a can? So we're going to say volume equals base area. I told you, you must start with this. You cannot start halfway. This is step 1, base area times height. You must do this part. Then my base area is a circle. That means area of circle times the height of the can. Area of circle is given as pi r squared, and then we're going to multiply by the height. And then we're going to do pi. Our radius is 5, or is it 7? 9. Our radius is 9 centimeter times 9 centimeter times the height, which is 15 centimeter. I already know that my answer will have centimeter cubed. So I take my calculator and I press shift times 9 times 9 times 15, and I get 1,215 pi, 1,215 pi, and then I change this to decimal, and I get 3,817. And since the question say we work in tenths, I'm going to round this to tenths. So my tenth digit, I will look at 3. No, let me just write it. So I'm going to write to the hundredths place. So I will underline this and I will circle the 10th place. 3 is less than 5, so I can't do anything to my circle. So my answer to step 1 is 3817 cubic centimeter. That's step 1. Then step 2, I know that 1 cubic centimeter represents 2.6 grams. I am going to write my proportion the way we learned in term 1. So step 2, write a proportion. Write a proportion and use butterfly method. So then we write, we know that my unit rate, so 1 centimeter cubed is equal to 2.6 grams. Okay? Now I have volume. I will put it together with volume. 3,817 centimeter cubed equals to what? That's what the question wants. So I'll put X here instead of question mark. Let me put X. Okay. Now I will do butterfly method. But before I do butterfly method, this cubic centimeter will go away because when I divide, they cross out, because centimeter cubed divided by centimeter cubed gives me 1. So now I do my butterfly method. I draw my butterfly. Okay. So 1 times X, so I will write it here. 1 times X equals 2 6/10 grams times 3817. Now remember, it doesn't have a unit, so I can't write centimeter cube here because we crossed them out here when we divided. Okay? So 1 times X is X, and then I multiply these two numbers. So I'll just do it here, times 2.6. That should give me, no, what did I do? 3817 times 2.6. And then 9,924 and 2/10 grams. And this is your answer. And you write your sentence. The mass of the can is, I'm going to write it over here because I don't have other space and I don't want to waste paper. The mass of the coconut milk can is 9,924 and 2/10 grams. And my answer is in a box. So you have your answer for solving and you have your answer for the sentence. Now, you also have to know that another name for mass is weight. Okay? Weight. You should know that. You should learn this in science. Okay? Another, what they mean by mass is how heavy an object is. Okay? That's what that means. And there.